All right, if you sit at a desk and you have lower back pain, I'm gonna show you 2 areas you can foam roll to really reduce the lower back pain and get your body to move correctly. So when you're in a desk, most of us, we sit down and our knees are in front of us and they're together, and then you're sitting on your glutes and hamstrings, so it turns those muscles off. So over time, all these tendons and muscles here get really, really, really tight, and in here get really tight, and your glutes and hamstrings just turn off. And it starts to tilt your pelvis down and forward and create a lot of tension on the lower back. So what we want to do is reduce all the tension here with the foam roller and release it so that you can set your pelvis back where it belongs and reduce all the tension on your lower back. Super simple. So how we're going to do it first. The first one we're going to do is our hip flexor and our quad, the dominant muscle that's always turned on and gets tight. You're going to start with this kind of setup here, with this kind of kickstand leg here. You're going to just use the corner of the foam roller. Keep it to the inside, the outside of your reproductive organ. You don't want to smash that. And you're going to army crawl just like, a soldier would. Keep a neutral spine the entire time. You want to drag this leg across the foam roller like a dead body. Now, if there's a knot anywhere when we're doing this, make sure you pause in the knot for like 30 to 90 seconds until it releases. Oh, a knot is like a big chunk of skin, muscle, tissue that's all bound up together. Now you're going to start right below your pelvis or your hip and just start pulling yourself forward. Keeping your spine neutral and moving this kickstand leg at the same time. I recommend doing it 10 seconds per pass, go really, really slow, and do at least 3 passes. Now, if you go super fast like this, you're not actually doing anything, and you look ridiculous. So don't do that. I'll show you the other side too. Make sure you do both legs as well. Now, the next thing you want to do is very similar, but instead of going here, we're going to do your groin and open up your hips this way. Just like this. So for this one, you're going to sideways army crawl, and you really want to start, again, right next to your reproductive organ. Don't smash it. And just press your thigh onto the roller. Now again, if there's a knot here, stop, pause, let it release. I'm just going to move to the side here. All the way to the outside of the knee and back. Maintaining proper, like neutral spine, neutral pelvis, everything. And again, you want to go really slow. 10 passes. Now, if you've done it right, everything will start to move and function correctly. You'll have less area of your spine with tight, and your glutes and hamstrings will start to activate and do the work for you, so you won't have wobbling around your desk. Now, if this is helpful, make sure you share it and then subscribe to our channel.